And I think the law enforcement activity, the results, the increased arrests and the increased activity of law enforcement is capable of having a significant effect. But the other ingredients that goes into that are the rest of the criminal justice system. For most of the time I've been involved with law enforcement, I think it's been pretty constant that the police do a good job, the police level of law enforcement. But I think the system that's supposed to back them, the court system, has largely failed and is rapidly returning people to the streets, and that's in some places in the federal system, some places in the state system. And so one of the drivers of crime, I think, right now has been the release of prisoners, who have violent records, as well as the disposition of judges not to keep people on pretrial detention who are threats to the community. And I think that is fanning a lot of the crime, because violence is, predatory violence in particular, is not something that just pops into somebody's head. Usually they have a long history of violence. So I think that the strengthening the police level of activity is sort of table stakes. You have to do it if you're going to decrease crime. But I think we also need to address the rest of the criminal justice system, which is taking a weaker and weaker approach to dealing with violent offenders. A lot of the crime in this city are committed by people who have long criminal history records and are out on parole or probation, or haven't been detained before trial, notwithstanding their long criminal histories of violence.